Why marketing on Facebook has become more difficult. When establishing a social media marketing strategy, it's likely that Facebook will play a major role. This platform has long been regarded as one of the most powerful marketing tools out there, and it's incredibly popular among businesses. In fact, 93% of marketeers use Facebook advertising regularly, and there are plenty of good reasons for that popularity. Facebook offers in-depth paid ads, for example, and high customizable targeting features. You will also gain access to a huge audience, 2.32 billion monthly active users to be exact. However, recent changes have made advertising on Facebook a little trickier than it used to be. Consider the algorithm Facebook uses to display content, for example. The platform is now putting an emphasis on the way users interact with other users, rather than how they engage with businesses. While this can be considered a good thing in some respects, it may also mean that your ads are less likely to be seen. It also doesn't help that Facebook has undergone a drastic decline in organic reach. This began around 2014, when Brian Bolland, Facebook's VP of Advertising Technology at that time, reported that Facebook was managing much more ad content than it used to. 350 million photos and 55 million status updates are posted each day, and there are over 60 million active business pages. In short, there is simply too much content being published on Facebook, and ad visibility is becoming increasingly competitive as a result. For this reason, it's more vital than ever to find ways you can stand out.